Hello and assalamu alaikum to all super mamas. Welcome to this super mamas channel. Today I will teach you how to improve eye hand coordination of your toddlers. This is important because you have seen some toddlers right beyond the lines, or when some children start tracing, they can't proper trace. They trace beyond the dotted lines. They can see those lines, dotted lines, but their eye hand coordination is not well developed. That's why they can't proper trace. So these are the few activities by which you can improve your toddler's eye hand coordination so they can properly trace or write anything. Okay, so let's start these activities. Activity number 1 is, first you have to provide different size of papers to your toddler. As you can see, first one is square, second one is triangle, and third one is circle. This will improve their shapes recognition ability too. Now you have to say, honey, scribble on this paper. By doing this activity, as your child knows the boundaries of paper, so they can easily control their hands and learn from where he should start or end while he is writing. Activity number 3 is, next you have to provide these types of paper or big beads having large holes to your child and say to your child to make its necklace. This activity will develop their concentration and eye hand coordination. You can see, make a necklace like this. These are handmade papers. Now come to the activity number 3. Next, make these types of dotted painted with your daughter. Provide with your kids. Provide these types of earbuds to your toddler and different painting colors. Then you have to draw any letter or any drawing with small dots and set them to trace with the help of earbud. Trace on each circle. It will improve their eye hand coordination and they will able to write properly, because while doing this activity they will observe every single dot and fill with colors. As you can see, trace each dot. It will improve their concentration ability and eye hand coordination also. Now come to the activity number 4. Next, and take any kind of puzzles and set them to join these puzzles. It will also improve their eye hand coordination. All these activities seems to be simple, but these plays a vital role in developing writing skills. All these activities are homemade. As you can see, these all are homemade. No need to buy anything from our market. I have a great announcement. I will start homeschooling guidance classes for mothers from November, inshallah, in which I will give you step-by-step guidance for homeschooling. I will solve the queries of mothers by guiding them personally. I will conduct these classes through Zoom. Registration fee is 500 Pakistani rupee. Monthly fee is 1000 Pakistani rupee. 3 classes per week. If anyone of you is interested in conducting these classes, then please inform me by comment below. I will guide you all details about these classes. And in the last, if you like my video and learn anything from this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I have lots of activities for you related to homeschooling, and I want to share with these activities with you. But the only thing which I want from you guys is your support. Kindly support me in growing my channel. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will meet in our next video, inshallah. Bye bye.